Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine a lipstick that promises to stay bold, vivid, and flawless all day long. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're testing out the LORAC Pro Liquid Lipstick in Deep Burgundy, a color that promises to be rich, dramatic, and with the right formula, long-lasting. Let's see if it really delivers on its claims. The LORAC Pro Liquid Lipstick is designed to give you a smooth, matte finish that doesn't budge. In this case, the Deep Burgundy shade is an intense, dark red with a hint of purple. It's bold and definitely not for the faint of heart. When it comes to liquid lipsticks, we expect them to glide on easily, dry down quickly, and last for hours without feeling dry or uncomfortable. But does this one meet those standards? Let's dive in. The formula is surprisingly lightweight. It feels almost like you're applying a velvet texture to your lips, which is a big plus for anyone who's struggled with liquid lipsticks that feel too heavy or cakey. The color payoff is intense, with just one swipe delivering a full opaque coverage. That's something I really appreciate. It eliminates the need for multiple layers. Now let's talk about how it holds up throughout the day. I wore it for a few hours to see how well it stays put. I didn't experience any feathering or bleeding, even though this is a matte formula. It didn't transfer much either, so it's perfect for wearing under a mask or after sipping on your coffee. However, it does have a tendency to dry out a bit more than some other liquid lipsticks I've tried. The matte finish, while stunning, can start to feel a little tight if you wear it for too long. One of the things I've noticed with the LORAC Pro Liquid Lipstick is how comfortable it feels at first, but the more I wear it, the more I crave a touch of lip balm. That's not a deal breaker for me though, especially considering how beautifully it lasts and how vivid the color is. If you're someone who prioritizes comfort over extended wear, you might want to keep a lip balm on hand. In terms of its value for money, the price is fairly standard for a high-quality liquid lipstick. For the performance and rich color payoff, I'd say it's definitely worth the investment. Though, if you're on a tight budget, there are similar products out there that might do the job for less. The packaging is sleek and practical. Nothing over the top, just a simple functional tube that's easy to use. It's also compact, which makes it great for throwing in your purse when you're on the go. The doe foot applicator is perfectly shaped to define the lips without any mess. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a similar matte liquid lipstick, but at a lower price point, there are some great options from brands like NYX or Maybelline. They offer some similar shades and matte finishes that hold up just as well without the higher price tag. To sum it up, the LORAC Pro Liquid Lipstick in Deep Burgundy is a great choice if you want a bold, long-lasting matte lipstick. It provides a great color payoff, is pretty transfer resistant, and stays put for hours. However, it might not be the best option for those looking for an ultra-comfortable wear all day long, as it can feel a little drying after extended use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used the LORAC Pro Liquid Lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.